VisualScript commissioned a survey on the topic of visibility for DevOps, and one of the key findings was that managers say they benefit hugely from such visibility. In this video, we'll discuss how you measure great visibility and what are the metrics and what you need to get right to help you attain this visibility. We asked our senior DevOps manager respondents to rate how successful they were with a variety of DevOps visibility goals. We found those respondents who were the most successful with DevOps in general were nailing several visibility metrics. If you want to know how you are doing with accounts payable, you generate a report from your AP system. For sales, you go to your CRM system. DevOps isn't that simple. If you need insights, you likely have to extract information from multiple DevOps data sources and combine it to answer your question. When people ask a question, they are looking for insight. All too often, what they actually get is data. The problem with data is that, by itself, it means very little. For example, it's easy to say that a project is delayed a month. It's more insightful to point out that there's one issue that is blocking multiple other issues causing the delay. The entire goal of DevOps is to accelerate the pace with which teams deliver software. A modern DevOps workflow is fast-paced and highly dynamic. You need the contextualized information we discussed in the last point in order to make the best decisions, but those insights are worthless if they are based on old data. DevOps teams are lean. Every person fills a crucial need and is always just a step away from being a bottleneck. So asking team members to stop what they're doing in order to compile reports for upper management is counterproductive. It's better to give upper management the ability to ask and answer their questions without involving critical DevOps team members. Ironically, the surest way to slow your DevOps to a snail's pace is to try too hard to eliminate failures. It's better to fail fast, meaning keep your pace fast, but react to failures even faster. You spend less time obsessing about what might happen and get good at reacting quickly to what did happen. That principle is at play with this final rule: to set up systems that proactively look at DevOps data, contextualize it, recognize problems, and send alerts to team members so they can fix the issues. For example, you may want a report that lets you see at a glance which tasks are either late or at risk for being late. It's one thing to know what you need to do to be successful at DevOps. It's another to actually do these things. We found that there was an elite class of DevOps managers who were producing real-time visibility into their DevOps operations. We asked these managers what they seek in a DevOps visibility solution. Here are the 6 most sought-after features. When you consider the sheer number of DevOps tools the average DevOps manager uses, integrating a reporting solution into one of your most central apps, such as Jira, puts your visibility functionality at your fingertips. Answers to critical questions often require data from multiple disparate tools, and a solution that can pull and combine data from multiple sources is optimal. When providing visibility into DevOps, there is a need to balance how much information to present. At a high level, it is important to streamline what is shown to make it easier to spot high-level trends. Yet, once one identifies a problem, there is a need to see the underlying detail to understand what is causing the problem. DevOps moves fast, and visibility based on stale data is next to useless. Much of what DevOps does involves complex information. What matters is how things are related and interconnected. You need to be able to see relationships, sequences, and hierarchies. Spreadsheets or tables are poor substitutes for the purpose-built diagrams that have evolved for these disciplines. Reports are best if managers who need information can just hit a button and get what they want without involving DevOps team members. The DevOps Visibility Survey found that providing real-time DevOps visibility is one of the crucial goals mentioned by DevOps managers. Further, we found that even within organizations who have found a way to provide DevOps visibility, there is a desire to find a robust, automated tool that would help. Go to visualscript.com to learn more about DevOps visibility solutions.